Hey, second dish guy, go home. Bye, I guess. Boss. What? What the hell are you doing? Service is just getting started. Oh, I'm just doing that to balance out the paychecks and everything. Right. It'll be fine. It better be. Oh my god, Daniel, can you believe this guy? What's up? This new manager sent the bar trainee home already. He sent my dish partner home too. So, we've got customers coming in and we're 2 people down? 3. He sent my line guy home an hour ago. What? Oh my fucking god. Fucking hell. Oh god, I can't breathe. That was probably the worst shift of my life. So, that was a shit show. Would have gone way better if you weren't doing the bare minimum. What? Oh, that fucking does it. Hold him down, chef. Nunchuck's coming out, boys.